Day 20 of the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar for 2024 is a representation of the first Praetorian Guard minifigure. This came out in 2018 in Snoke's Throne Room, set number 75216. Now this is a bit of a strange one, because the minifigure in that set was a Praetorian Elite Guard, but the one in the calendar is an Imperial Praetorian Guard. And the Imperial Praetorian Guard appeared first time this year in 2024. A bit confusing. I'll show you the two images on the screen now. You'll see what I mean. The name Praetorian Guard dates back to the 14th Artesian Emperor. Imperial Praetorian Guards were the elite warriors who served the Shadow Council during the New Republic era. Ready to savagely respond to any threat found, the Guards were incredibly skilled warriors who wore red armour. The helmets and the red armour were similar to the Mandalorian armour. The design of the segmented armour plates and robes would eventually be carried over to the armour worn by the elite Praetorian Guard of the First Order. Additionally, their chest plates were identical to those of the First Order stormtroopers, albeit they were coloured red. The Imperial Praetorian Guard's weapons included a Bellari Electro Chain Whip, an Electro Bicento, and a Vibro Arbear blade.